In August 1944, Paris was freed. Released from 4 years of enemy occupation, the whole city, it seemed, poured into the streets to welcome back de Gaulle.
De Gaulle marched with all the dignitaries of the new and the old France. A sniping broke out. Everybody knew there was some ex-Pétainistes and German deserters in Paris. De Gaulle marched through that as though we were going through an April shower. Everybody else, bishops, generals, politicians, fell on their bellies. Not de Gaulle. He marched straight through it. It was, I think, a singular example of his own self-confidence that he did not feel that anyone, any sniper, any rifleman, could really hit him. He was France, and this was one of the things, I'm sure, that carried him through on that day.
The time elapsed from the first to the last shot was 7 seconds. In all, more than 140 shots were fired. Several bullets pierced the president's car. One came within an inch of his head. But, as if by a miracle, neither he nor anyone else was hurt.
From around the world, planes bring leaders of great states, ancient monarchies, and nations just born. Anastas Mikoyan, first Deputy Premier of the Soviet Union. Queen Federica of Greece, subdued and pale. Charles de Gaulle, President of France, himself target of attempted assassination. Prince Philip and Prime Minister Douglas Hume of England. Ludwig Erhard, new Chancellor of West Germany. Proud Haile Selassie, Emperor of Ethiopia. Companion in all the caisson ceremonial journeys, Mrs. Kennedy returns from Capitol to White House, there to join the gathered dignitaries for the procession to St. Matthew's Cathedral. Amid tolling bell and the bagpipes dirge, black-veiled like some ritual figure of classic myth, Jacqueline Kennedy follows her husband's coffin on foot, leading the greatest assemblage of world statesmen to pay homage in half a century. At St. Matthew's, brought by car, the children join Mrs. Kennedy. Today is John John's 3rd birthday.